Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Perpetual. If you're new, you're warmly welcome. And thank you all so much for joining me today as we make some jerk chicken with a side of creamy coleslaw. Come along and let's get started. I'm starting my chicken cleaned and rinsed with some vinegar, and I'm going in with about a teaspoon of my all-purpose seasoning mix. I'll put a recipe link to my blog down in the description box below. And I'm adding a lot of black pepper, and I'll also be going in with some grated ginger and garlic before I continue with the rest of the seasonings. And guys, if this is your first time here, or if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And remember to hit the bell beside the subscribe button as well, so that you will know when I upload more amazing videos. And I'm adding some jerk marinade to my seasoning. I usually make a big batch of this and freeze it in portions. I'm going to put the recipe for the jerk marinade in the description box as well. To be honest, it's not really a recipe per se, it's just a list of ingredients that you're going to blend together. Alright, at this point, I'm going to marinate it in the fridge for about half an hour to an hour, and then I'm gonna put it into the oven for about 20 minutes. And it comes out looking like this, and I'm gonna make a quick sauce to go on top. It's just some chopped habanero peppers, a little bit of my jerk seasoning, and some loose tomato ketchup. It's just ketchup with a little bit of water. Mix it together, and I'm going to brush it onto my chicken and pop it back in the oven for about 5 minutes, and do that on the other side as well. And while that goes back into the oven, I'm just gonna make a quick coleslaw to go on the side, as this chicken is super spicy. So I'm just starting by chopping up my cabbage, and I'll go ahead and chop some carrots and some red onions as well. For a little bit of extra flavor, I'm going in with some black pepper, and I'll sweeten it up with a little bit of granulated sugar and I'll go in with my mayonnaise. And after giving it a quick stir, our coleslaw is done. I don't like it super creamy, but yeah, and our chicken is ready as well. Now, I must say that my husband likes his chicken a little bit drier than I do, but hey, I made this for him, so made it to his preference. Now, of course, jerk chicken goes so well with rice and peas. I have some on the side, and I will eventually put up the video for that as well. But for now, let's enjoy our coleslaw with our jerk chicken. Super spicy, nice and flavorful. You will love it. I cannot wait for you to try it. And that's it, my beautiful people. If you liked this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section when you try any of my amazing recipes out. And thank you all so much for coming along with me on this delicious journey. I'll see you all again very soon. Take care, guys.